Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to show you a pen that I received very recently, 1 or 2 days ago, and I didn't have time to open it. So this is a pen that I received from the United States and was sent to me by my friend Shelly from the Kaweco group. We have a Facebook group for Kaweco collectors and users, and we saw there that Gold Spot pens had a nice exclusive Kaweco Sport. The shipping to Portugal was too expensive, and then there is also the problem of the costume taxes. So my friend Shelly had offered to send me to buy it for me and to send it at a lower cost. So it got through customs, and now I've got it and I'm going to open it, and this is another Kaweco to join the collection. So I think this one is fairly easy to open. However, I'm using a big knife to do it, just because I want. So we can cut these here. I don't think this will make a lot of noise because it's paper. Put the knife aside, and then inside we have the little Kaweco package. Let's put the envelope aside also. And the little Kaweco cardboard package. Let's open it, and here it is. This is they call it Skyline transparent turquoise. This is a Gold Spot exclusive, and it's like a special exclusive edition. Let's focus here. Now I can see it. It is a nice color. When I saw it first online, I thought it looks like the green Ice Sport, so I have a green one like right over here to see, but I can immediately see they are not the same color. So this is the Kaweco Ice Sport green, and this is the Skyline Sport turquoise from Gold Spot. So, and here it is. It looks nice, and I think I will ink it up and use it some of these days, and this is another one to put in my collection. Just to say something more in this otherwise too short video, I just want to show you something for information purposes only. Maybe many of the Kaweco fans already know this, but maybe other people that are interested in these pens don't know why one pen is ice, the other is frosted, and Skyline and classic, and that much. So let me just tell you the differences. This one is a line that was called Kaweco Ice Sport. It is discontinued now, as far as I know. And this line has characteristics: silver medallion on top of the cap, silver imprint there saying Kaweco Sport, transparent barrel, section and cap, but the section and cap are transparent of the same color, and they have a color, a specific color to it, and the rest, the barrel, is clear transparent. When the pens are all of the same color, even if they are transparent, they will fall into, let's take out these new frosted line, because the frosted line, they are a little more opaque. But these ones, if they are completely transparent but colored, they will be or otherwise, if the barrel is the same color as the rest of the pen, let's say like this, and transparent, this pen will be a Skyline or a Classic Sport. The difference are The Skyline is silver trim, so silver here, here, and silver colored nib. The Classic Sport is exactly the same thing, but gold, and gold plated nib. So these are the differences between the High Sport and the Skyline Sport. So these two colors, they are different. Yes, I've seen some photos on the group, and now I think it's completely out of any question that they are really different colors. So I'm quite pleased with it. If you want to get a pen like this, go to goldspot.com and you can find this pen there for sale. And I have to thank you, Shelley, for sending the pen. I really appreciate it. It was a very helpful. I couldn't have bought the pen otherwise. So this is all for today. I hope you liked the video. I hope you are interested in this pen also and in Kaweco Sports. And if you like them, just don't forget to join the Kaweco users, collectors and users group on Facebook. And if you subscribe my channel, you'll get more videos like these talking about Kawecos, because yes, I talk a lot about Kaweco. This is all for today. See you next video. Bye.